To journey into the cosmos, we need more than just powerful engines and brilliant minds. We need materials that can withstand the immense pressures and extreme temperatures of space travel. These materials are the unsung heroes of aerospace innovation. One such material, a cornerstone of modern engineering, is plain carbon steel. Plain carbon steel is renowned for its strength. It can endure heavy loads without bending or breaking, making it ideal for structural components. This remarkable material can also withstand very high temperatures, a crucial property for aerospace applications where friction generates intense heat. Furthermore, carbon steel is easily welded, allowing for the fabrication of complex shapes and structures. Its hardness provides excellent resistance to wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability. In the aerospace industry, plain carbon steel plays a vital role. It forms the backbone of landing gear, designed to absorb the shock of touchdown at high speeds. The skin of some supersonic jets, constantly battling air resistance and heat, also utilizes carbon steel. Its strength and heat resistance make it an ideal material for these demanding applications. Section 4. Carbon steel, a foundation for industry. Beyond its significance in aerospace, plain carbon steel is ubiquitous in various industries. It is a fundamental material in the automotive industry, used in car bodies, engines, and suspension systems. The construction industry relies heavily on carbon steel for building frames, bridges, and tunnels. Its versatility, strength, and affordability make it an indispensable material for countless applications. Section 5. Composition of carbon steel. Plain carbon steel is primarily iron with a small percentage of carbon, which dictates its strength and hardness. The addition of other elements, such as manganese or silicon, can further enhance specific properties, tailoring the steel for its intended purpose. Understanding the composition of carbon steel allows engineers to select the optimal material for each unique challenge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.